Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we will learn some more programs to understand the concept of encapsulation. So here I will make one class. The name of the class is first program. Here the main method. We will create one more class that is customer. Inside that three variable. So this is the private variable. So for the private variable we have to give the setters and the getters. For the setters, I will explain this all. Here we are giving these values to the private member. After the setters, there is a getter. So here we created the private variable and the setters and the getters. Now we will create the object of the customer class. CUS customer and give a reference as C. Now calling the set data method to set the values. Any number. Here the number, here why we are getting error, because number is a large, so we have to give the here long, not int. It will not take int, that's why it is giving error. So we will take long. Okay, now at the last, error gone. Now we call the get method to print this value on the console. We'll run the program. So here is the output. Now I will explain you this with the diagram. Now I am going to explain you. We'll take a diagram here. This is CID, CNAME, CID, CNAME, and the CNAME. Here, default value of integer is 0 and the string is null and the long 0. Okay, we know that. Now, here, here we create the customer and give a reference as C. Make object and give a reference as C. It will come here. And now, this is the variable. We cannot give the value directly, so we use setters. Now we call the set data method to set the value. Okay, we are from here we call this set data. So here x, y, and z. We are giving this value. So in the x, y, z, we will write 1. And in this, the value is Suraj. And here, this number. This number, okay? It will store here now. We call this data and set this data to x, y, z now. Now what we will do? From here, x. Now this x value is given to this CID, this private member, and this y to CNAME, and this z to CNAME. So now what is the value of CID, CNAME, CNAME? That is 1. We will erase this. That is Suraj. And this number. I hope it is visible. And now this number, okay? So like that only, here giving this value to this private member CID, CNAME and CNAME. and here one Suraj and the number. Now we want to print it. So here we called c.getID. From here it will come here. And what is the value of CID? 1. So we will print here 1. Now for printing CNAME, we call this CNAME, return CNAME, and we print this Suraj. Okay. And like that only c.cnum, we are calling this cnum. So it will print the number, this number. Okay. So here is the explanation. Now, okay, thank you.